Welcome back, plumbing content creators. Now that you've got killer ideas for videos and know how to inject your unique personality into everything you make, we need to tackle the million-dollar question. Where the heck do you put all this amazing content? Choosing the wrong platform is like installing a top-of-the-line water heater in a chicken coop. Technically impressive, but completely missing the point. Today, we're breaking down Facebook, Nextdoor, Instagram Reels, and YouTube so you can find exactly where your future customers are hanging out, waiting to discover your plumbing brilliance. Let's start with Facebook and Nextdoor, the digital equivalent of your community bulletin board, except with more arguments about politics and lost dogs. These platforms are absolute gold mines if you're targeting local homeowners, especially those who might still have a phone book somewhere in their house. No judgment. These spaces thrive on community trust and recommendations. Show off that jaw-dropping sink transformation. Share that 60-second tip about preventing frozen pipes that actually works. Or tell the story of how you rescued Mrs. Johnson's vintage bathroom from 1975, with her permission, of course. The beauty of these platforms is that they function like digital word of mouth. When someone comments, "This worked great," their entire friend network sees it, essentially giving you a chorus of neighborhood endorsements. Keep your content friendly and solution focused, like you're the helpful neighbor who happens to know everything about plumbing. If your energy level matches your coffee intake and you've got a knack for quick attention-grabbing content, TikTok and Instagram Reels might be your playground. These platforms are perfect for those satisfying 30-second time lapses where you transform plumbing nightmares into functional dreams. Or try rapid-fire myth busting. No, bleach tablets in your toilet tank aren't cleaning anything. They're destroying your components faster than my teenager empties the refrigerator. The vibe here is casual and real. Show your personality. Don't worry about being polished, and definitely leverage trending sounds when appropriate. Though maybe skip the dance challenges while holding heavy wrenches. I'm speaking from experience and a minor toe injury. The algorithm rewards consistency, so posting once a week can keep you surfing the recommendation wave. Now, for the plumbing content marathon runners, rather than sprinters, YouTube is your Olympic stadium. This is where in-depth tutorials, comprehensive guides, and educational series can shine brighter than a freshly polished chrome fixture. People come to YouTube specifically to learn, making it perfect for those detailed how to install a faucet without cursing once tutorials, or what every homeowner should know about their water heater before it betrays them at 2 a.m. Yes, YouTube requires more planning, better lighting, and probably some basic editing skills, but here's the beautiful part. These videos continue working for you long after you post them. A single good tutorial can bring in new leads for years. It's like hiring a salesperson who works 24/7 without complaining or asking for benefits. Now, I know what you're thinking. Do I really need to be on all these platforms? Well, absolutely not. That's the express route to content burnout in a plumbing business that suffers because you're too busy being a social media manager. Start where either your existing customers hang out or where you feel most comfortable creating content. Master one platform before adding another. And here's my favorite time-saving hack. Repurpose like your business depends on it. That 2-minute YouTube tutorial, slice out the most dramatic 30 seconds for TikTok. The before and after transformation that killed it on Instagram, share it to Facebook with some additional context about the project. Work smarter, not harder. Your pipe wrench didn't come with a side of burnout, and neither should your content strategy. To make this decision even easier, I've created what I call the Ultimate Platform Decision Guide. It's a PDF that breaks down posting frequencies, ideal video lengths, content types that perform best, and even the general age demographics for each platform. Consider it your cheat sheet to finding your content home. The link is in the description. Grab it, study it, use it to make an informed decision rather than throwing content into the digital void and hoping for the best. If this breakdown helped clear the platform fog, hit that like button, subscribe for more no-nonsense advice, and drop a comment telling me which platform you're planning to dominate first. I want to follow along on your journey. So stay tuned for our next video where we'll tackle the elephant in the room, how to actually stay consistent with content creation when you've got toilets to fix and emergencies to handle. We'll build a system so practical and doable that even the busiest plumber can maintain a content presence without sacrificing sleep or sanity. Until then, Pick your platform, start your plot, and do your content takeover. I'll see you in the next one.